sate kerang di Erjoman ya, pinggir jalan, es doger. Es doger apa namanya nih Bu?
Doger legendaris.
Doger legendaris ya. Ini masih wilayah Erjoman?
Iya, cuman bendang.
Bendang nih ya,
Iya,
Bendang.
Bendang.
Erjoman Bendang. Es doger legendaris.
Children hurt and hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach? And would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us. Send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning.